Hi, this is the first video of THECROW heart transplant. THECROW is a 2015 Cadillac ATS and all-wheel drive. I had a silicone tube from ZZP, drop-in K&N filter, catless downpipe, trifecta tune, Advantage one. My best 0-60 is 5 seconds flat, so it was kind of fun. It's my daily driver, but during my vacation at the end of August, the engine started to do all kinds of weird things. The temperatures outside, they were kind of hot, and what happened had to happen, you know what I mean? So I thought at first it was the turbo, the seals, because when I was letting go the gas, a big puff of smoke coming out of the exhaust. Talk to people and they say, yeah, that's a good symptom of the turbo seals. But before making a move on the turbo, I said I'm gonna do leak down tests, and how it turned? It turned out like cylinder 4 I have 80% of leak. Cylinder 1 I had 72% of leak. The third one was 36% of leak. Cylinder 2 4% of leak. So I went it doesn't make sense. I might have done an error somewhere, you know. So redo the test, check everything out. I go cylinder 4 again, 80% of leak. I said, that's impossible. It might be from the valves. There's something. So I pull on the dipstick, and guess what? It was blowing like crazy in the crankcase. So I started to cry. Nah, but I mean, I wasn't happy, you know what I mean? I bought the car we can say exactly a year ago. Maybe I bought the car and the pistons had something already. I don't know, because it's been pulling the same since. I should have checked that. As an engine guy, I'm an engine rebuilder, so yeah, you're gonna say it's gonna make it easy. Yeah, okay, because it's gonna be me doing it. Do I have time to do it? Not really. Do I have the money to invest one shot like that on a car that I just bought not even a year ago? Not really. It wasn't in my plans, you know. But still, I'm gonna do it. So since I didn't find any really good documentation on YouTube or on the net, how the cylinder head is made, how to remove the injectors, the ins and out of engine rebuilding of LTG. You see a lot, but it's not enough. So I'm gonna keep up with the stage of how to do it and everything. I hope you're gonna think it's interesting. I'm gonna show you here. I got all the parts. Down here though, it's the intercooler. I'm just gonna install it this spring, because winter's coming, and here in Montreal it's minus 30 degrees Celsius, so I won't need an intercooler for this winter. And I'm gonna call that the break-in time, break-in period of the engine. So that's it. That's all the parts. I'm gonna put Molnar connecting rods. Gonna put GE pistons. The rest is all GM parts, because there's not much on the market, aftermarket for those engines. So got all the parts. I might do a list, of everything I use. I'm sure I'm missing stuff. There's so much, and it's not coming in a kit. So that's the worst part. Like, it doesn't come in a kit. So you have to find what you need before undoing the engine, to make it quick. You can undo the engine. I'm gonna need this and that, and look for it after. But it's a long time, because you got your engine on a stand, like, for the longest time, and you wait for the parts. Everything is back order right now. Everything, like, you're waiting, like stupidly for valve seals, stupid stuff. But so, to make it quick, ordered all my parts. My car was parked, and this week it's gonna be removed by my friend Mark Landreville. He's a Formula Drift driver. I was sponsoring him too. He's champion. He's a good driver. He's a good race car driver and a mechanic too. It goes together at the same time. So he's gonna pull out on the engine for me, and I'll go get it after, do the rebuild. He's gonna reinstall it. So that's where we're going with all that. So I'm gonna keep you posted as soon as I receive the engine. Well, you're gonna have, like, how to evaluate the damage before undoing it, and then unbuild the whole thing, clean the whole thing, and do magic after. So might even go porting the cylinder head a little bit, if it's not efficient enough. If it's good enough, well, I'm not making a rocket. I'm gonna do a solid engine. Might go with big wheel turbo. I'm not aiming like over 400 horsepower, that's for sure. Enough little trouble for now. So, and it's question, like, the differential is not strong enough. Like, there's always, like, you put more power, you have problems with something else on the car too. Since it's my daily driver, I really like the car. Handles like crazy, and I like everything about it except the fucking engine. So I'm gonna redo it and hope it's gonna be a success. So I'll get back to you guys.